Hey y'all, so today I am making this week's Taco Tuesday special. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a few tortillas and cutting them in half just so I can fit them into this casserole dish, which is a 13 by 9. And once I have it looking pretty like that, I'm gonna go up the sides and cover the middle. Ooh, that works, just like that. This is 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to be adding half of it here and then spreading that around. You can use different kinds of tortillas. Today I'm actually using a low carb tortilla, but you can use just a regular tortilla, and the same goes with the ground beef. If you want to use more ground beef, use that. We're going to be adding a packet of cheesy taco seasoning. You can just use the regular taco seasoning if you want, and that gets sprinkled right on top. Just use half the packet because this is going to be kind of like a layered dish, so you want to be able to use the other half later. To that, we're going to be adding half a can of black beans. This is such a good high protein Taco Tuesday dish. I think you're going to love it. Okay, so that's half of that. And then we're going to start with the cheese. So we're going to start with some medium, is this medium? Yeah, medium cheddar cheese. This is 2 cups. So just use half of that. So once that's on there, we're going to go ahead and take some more of these half cut tortillas. Do you guys do taco night every week, or is it like a once a month thing? Let me know in the comments. So once you have that, I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know, how should I do this? That looks good. And then we're just going to fold these 2 sides over. And then we're going to do this all over again. Got the rest of that ground beef. That all goes in there. You could do this with chicken as well if beef isn't your thing. So once you have that layer on, we're going to be adding the rest of that cheesy taco seasoning. And the rest of that medium cheddar. And because this is the top layer, just make sure I have some of this little bit of cheddar cheese everywhere. And then on top of that, we're going to be adding the rest of our black beans just right on top. Doesn't it look pretty? Okay. Once that's on there, we're going to take some Mexican blended cheese. I've got about 1 cup in here. I use the other cup for a different recipe. So go ahead and put this on top. If you love cheese, this is going to be like the best recipe. You're going to love this. So a whole cup of the Mexican cheese right on top. Make sure you spread that around. And then just for a little extra kick, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of pepper jack. That goes right on top as well. Isn't this easy? It's like the easiest thing. Okay, once that is done, this is going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes. All you want to do is warm this up. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. It's still sizzling because I just took it out of the oven. What we're going to do is take a can of drained and rinsed diced tomatoes. Just goes right on top. It's going to look so pretty. And let me go ahead and just kind of smooth that around. When you take this out to the dinner table, you can have some lettuce, but I'm just going to top this with some green onions. Because yeah, if you just put regular lettuce right on here, it'll just wilt. So my recommendation is to go ahead and have it on the side at the dinner table. And once that's on there, And take some guacamole. You can make your own, but you know, look, if it comes in a container, you might as well, right? I love guacamole. Avocado is so good for you. A finishing touch is a little bit of sour cream. And then the guacamole and the sour cream, you can totally serve at the table as well if anybody wants any extra. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut a section out of what is essentially a taco lasagna. And go ahead and put it on a plate. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, isn't this gonna be like so amazing for a Taco Tuesday? Let me get a bite. So easy to make. You don't have to make any like individual tacos or anything. Oh, it's still steamy. Oh my goodness, that is so good. You don't have to make this for your next Taco Tuesday, I promise. It's amazingly good.